The crypto market finally decided to wake up, and in this video we're going to be having a look at a deep dive at Verasity, breaking the trend line on the weekly time frame. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so of course you guys never miss a video. Diving into the obvious, which is Bitcoin right here on the weekly time frame. What is happening exactly? Well, Bitcoin right here, as you guys can see, is in a very crucial resistance area. I could actually even put this even lower, and we are entering this very important resistance. So if I take the body, which is right here, to the wick, which is approximately 28,749 all the way to 31,758, is a very important and crucial level. We need to see Bitcoin close above, on the weekly time frame, above 31,839 in order to see a massive altcoin season. Now of course we got a resistance rejection right here, and we got a support conflict rejection right here, and of course we did have a nice little consolidation phase right here, and now Bitcoin is finally breaking out. And the big question is the weekly candle is ending in 5 days and 13 hours, and are we gonna have that closure above $31,749? Because this would really affect VRA. And we can see right now, because Bitcoin has been pumping, Verasity has been pumping as well, up 7% in the past 24 hours with a market cap of $67 million. So we can see right here, currently ranked 353 with a 385,000 people on the watch list. The volume is up 165% in the past 24 hours, up 18 million. We got 26% of the market cap currently being traded. Now we did have a nice little pump followed by consolidation. Let's dive into VRA on the weekly time frame, then the daily, then the 4 hour, then the 1 hour. Can it's 10x, 20x? Are we going to see a 70% pump in the near future? Guys, remember, if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's have a look on VRA real quick. Boom. If I take this trend line right here on Verasity, we know we had one hit right here, we have another one right here, and we have another one right here, which we of course just broke out of. Can we see Verasity explode? Now this is not only a trend line, this is also a falling wedge. Okay, so this is a falling wedge right here on the weekly time frame, and we know falling wedges, guys, are usually very bullish. Okay, now what is a falling wedge? Where do you come back to the target? Well, usually you come back to the top of where it started, okay, which is supposed to be 1 cent. Now if I take this from the breakout to the top, that is a 70% pump approximately. Now you remember a couple weeks ago I called VRA to have a 70% pump. I believe it was right here. Guess what? We got rejected at this resistance, and now we finally broke above this area right here. But guys, remember, we have to close above on the weekly time frame. Now remember, we have 5 days and 13 hours left until the weekly time frame. We're only Tuesday. The new weekly candle is going to open on Monday, so we got a lot of time. And we can see VRA essentially coming back down and retesting this level. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen. We also need to see a strong volume candle happening this week, because we can see right here that the volume is looking pretty weak. If we have a look on the daily time frame real quick, we can see right here that the volume is increasing a little bit, not a lot. On the 4 hour, we're going to get into that in just a second, but we could see right here that the volume is sort of making a nice little breakout. So we can see, guys, the trend is your friend until it bends, and we know we've been, decreasing, and then we're slowly increasing. Now it's good to see an increase when the volume is, when the price is going up essentially, and this is exactly what we want to see. Now if we have a look on the 4 hour time frame, we can see exactly that, a huge spike on the 4 hour candle right here, as you guys can see, with a massive, well, not a massive pump, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but with a decent pump, I should say. So yesterday VRA had a beautiful closure, 8% towards the end of the day. So you can see right here, this was the last candle of the day on the 4 hour time frame. We know how important closing that candle was, because Bitcoin was pumping yesterday on the 4 hour time frame. As you guys can see, we had a nice little beautiful pump, and altcoins weren't pumping as much. So Verasity pumping towards the end of the day really made a big difference, and right now it's just consolidating, looking healthy. It's not dumping. This is not just a pump and dump type of thing where it's pumping and dumping like that. We are pumping, consolidating. We're most likely going to see a pump either today or tomorrow. Now inflation numbers are coming out tomorrow, guys. We got CPI data. It's supposed to be below 5%. If we see below 5%, we could see a massive pump, not only for Bitcoin but from the altcoins too. Now of course, like I said, guys, if we see Bitcoin close above 31,750, that could be very bullish for not only Bitcoin but for altcoins as well. Things are looking very, very, very great overall. If we have a look on the 1 hour, we can see right here that Verasity is currently making some sort of horizontal bull flag triangle, currently right now consolidating, nothing too crazy overall. We're gonna have to see where this breakout happens. If we have a closure below this trend line right here, I could even drag this trend line all the way down here. We've been trending for about a day and a half now. If we break below this area right here, we're most likely gonna have a massive, or not a massive, but come back down and retest this level right here. If we break to the upside, we're most likely gonna have a breakout to the top side. So you guys want to play the confirmation, you want to play the breakout, you want to predict where it's going. Right now VRA is just consolidating, and that's about it. So that is my quick video, guys, on Verasity. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Peace out.